Hello folks, Mundane Man here, and today I'm at the Edmonton Auto Show at the Expo Centre. First thing I noticed is, number one, parking at the Expo Centre is outrageous, $17, and then the ticket to get in, $21. So I'm already in it for what, just about 40 bucks. I haven't seen a car yet. My main focus, I think, is going to be on trucks because that's most likely my next purchase. Let's start out with the Ram trucks. Of course, the ones that they have at the show are loaded. This has the Cummins turbo diesel. Now, this would be the ideal truck for us for trailering. Little step for the box. This would be a, what, 6.5 foot box, I guess. My wife would like this. She likes the bumpers matching the paint. I don't. Somebody rubs up against you, you can see it. MSRP on this one, $65,000. Don't even get heated or cooled seats for that money. This Ram Sport with the 5.7 Hemi, $85,000. How? Why? This one's got more features in it than that black one over there. When I compare it to my truck, mine had the box liner, running boards. This has none of that. Box lights are nice. And it doesn't appear to have the integrated brake controller. So it doesn't have the towing package, it's got the standard mirrors. I mean, don't get me wrong, it would do. $85,000, that's of course MSRP. And this one has the regular extended cab, not the super extended like mine has. It does have a nice big sunroof though. Silverado EV.
I just told buddy over there, the salesman, that white one over there,
Kinda has the old avalanche motif, but I don't think it breaks down like an avalanche. $99,000. Oofda. $2,500 HD Silverado. $124,000. That's as configured, of course. It's got some accessories on it and looks like it's lifted, but it's got the 6.6 Duramax in it. Another Silverado, probably a 1500, but it's got the soft open tailgate. But when you go to close it, it's light as a feather. And a box liner. $85,000.
I wish I would have got the leather.
Has a diesel in it though.
Only paid $1.70.
Looks like no matter what truck I like, gonna be in it for $85,000. This is the 1500 with the diesel in it. price of diesel right now, I don't know, if it's really worth going to that extra, maintenance costs and higher fuel prices. But I'm sure it's got the torque and the horses to pull a lot. It's only got the small sunroof in it. First world problem, eh? It doesn't have the whole roof sunroof. Looks like they did bring back the Avalanche, if it ever left. This is where you can break down the interior to make a full bed by folding down the seats and taking out the window. All the fancy dashboards, eh? Which are pretty much standard now. EV-LT max range, 115,000. 769 kilometers of range. Too much of money. I love how light these tailgates are now. This is the top half of it. You can power anything from the vehicle itself. This one's a Chevy Trail Boss. They call it one of the most affordable lifted trucks available. I'm really not interested in lifted per se, but cloth interior. It does have a towing package in it. Fairly well optioned. $75 grand with a 5.3 liter V8. Kind of reduces your towing capacity a little bit with a half ton, but I was kind of eyeing a GM or Chev with the 6.6 liter in it, but again, 85, 90 grand for them. Because as soon as you want to go to the larger engine, they add packages on that really amp up the price. Surprised GM still manages two divisions when the vehicles are practically the same. Here's the heavy hauler. Only 143,000.
It's got the foot thing.
It's got the long box.
Yeah, I'm just more hyper focused. Oh, so you got a
Multi-function tailgate. Dualies. The old Western motif. Ooh, look at the fancy wood grain. Almost wood. I imagine this has a Duramax in it.
Did you ask questions about what else do I need to do?
6.6 liter turbo diesel. 975 pounds of foot-pounds of torque. That thing would haul.
That's it? Yeah.
This GM is similar to the stripped down Silverado that they claimed over there as the most affordable lifted truck. 2-inch factory lift. No box liners, I'm so surprised. I mean, you can always get it done after, but makes you think it would be better coming from the factory. Just the standard tailgate on this one, which is okay by me. I'm used to that. The lightweight of them is stupendous. Smaller screen, analog gauges, cloth interior. I don't think it has heated seats, and it's got no sunroof, so my wife would not be impressed with this one. Let's face it, nor would I be. I like the gadgets. This one's got the party package, speakers in the tailgate. It's neat features you can get for trucks these days. Probably don't have to worry about bears up there. So you can see how this one opens up so you can get a longer box. It's kind of avalanche style, what they used to call the avalanche. Also an EV. Kind of like this satiny finish or whatever, where it's not all polished and shiny. Bet it would hide a lot of marks. It does look like it squats a bit with that snowmobile in there. This is a Denali 6.2 liter. I guess that's where you get the faux wood finish and the western looking seats. See, from an engine perspective, this is kind of what I was looking for. Larger engine, but still in a half-ton. Thinking it would be cheaper. I am very wrong. I love how it says you can get one at $54,900. Add a couple features and it's 115 grand. Okay, let's hit the Fords. This one's a Super Duty. $130 grand. Interesting blue. Good towing capacity, obviously. F350 Platinum. It's got the pucks in there so you can easily put in your fifth wheel. Running boards. Stupid deaf. Meant to reduce emissions, but the carbon footprint goes up with all the plastic jugs and extra fluid and everything.
You can just rip up
F-150 Raptor. Look at the fuel mileage.
There's no problem.
Combined.
As soon as you start speeding up, someone starts
160,000 bucks basically.
Now the only difference what that
Now this is kind of a specialty vehicle in with the Tremor, or sorry, the Raptor package, so it's, you know, it's kind of decked out for off-roading. I'd be afraid to go down a gravel road with it though, for that kind of money. She's a gas guzzler. Raptor embossed in the seats. Yeah, it's obviously here it's a performance truck. It's kind of a specialty package. I think it's a V8, 5.2 liter. Obviously on steroids though. So this might be the more reasonably priced Tremor. Black still must be sexy, eh? So the Tremor is another upscale package, I think. Big screens, lots of options. It's got the, I don't think it actually, no, yeah, it's got a trailer brake in it. What's the scary price on this one? Well, gas mileage is a lot better. Oh, this one's only like $97,000. Cheap. So this one has the 3.5 liter EcoBoost, which I think is it dual turbos on that? The hood's not open, so I'm not 100% sure. Okay, so is this the poor man's Ford? An XLT V6? Oh, also cheap, $90,000 all in. Could hold my quad, obviously. I don't know what this quad weighs, probably 800. It does make the truck squat a bit. Okay, so I've said enough how expensive these trucks are. They're all expensive, so no more sarcasm about the prices, because it is what it is and the market isn't changing. So there's a lot of buzz around the Teslas. These trucks are still a hard pass for me. Look at them pointy edges. Slip and fall in your garage and you'll be rendered unconscious if you bang on one of those corners. Hard pass for me. Look at this. Where do you even get a wiper blade to fit that? Tesla, probably. Well, here's a Tundra. It's a more reasonably priced truck, but it is a little bit of a stripped down version too. Cloth seats, no sunroof. A friend of mine has a Tundra, or had. I'm not sure if he still has it, but I think he did well over 300,000 kilometers with it. I don't know what kind of engine it has in it. Is it still their 5 point, would they have a 5.7 liter? To get the most towing capacity, it looks like you got to get the Crewmax Limited. So it has a 11,000 pound towing capacity. Now, that's not the only factor you need to consider with towing, but you also have to consider tongue weight and stuff like that. This is a TRD Pro. I don't mind the look of these Toyotas. I don't know if they have, this one's a hybrid, but it is a Crewmax, so it would probably have the highest towing capacity. Most of them seem to have motorized tailgates. Box lighting, which is nice. I'm sure this is an option. This one also closes automatically. Interesting truck. Well, that's it for the Edmonton Auto experience at the Expo Centre. You know, at first I thought 20 bucks to get in is kind of expensive, but you know, you get in there and you can touch, feel, sit in, look at, drool over a myriad of different vehicles. So you get to see them all without the pressure of a salesman hanging over your shoulder. Not really surprised by vehicle prices. I knew they were expensive. To replace my truck would be an $85,000 deal, and I'm not prepared to do that right now. I was talking to my wife, and I think maybe I'll just keep my truck maintained and maybe upgrade whatever we need to tow a trailer and make do with what we got. So yeah, I think there is some value in coming to these, especially if you're in the market. Anyways, that's my synopsis of this car show. This was my walk for today. Until the next one.